So you want to blend Mixamo animations together. First thing, download the animations. When you press download, only the first animation has to be with skin, the others can be without. Then open Blender, and the most important thing you have to do first is delete the default cube. Import your first animation. Split the view horizontally. Open up the dope sheet. Select Action Editor. Now, open the non-linear animation. You can rename your animation if you want, and then click this button to create your action clip. Now, import your second animation and do the same thing. You can drag the second action clip to begin at the end of the first one. As you can see, only the last one is working. That is because we need to set the extrapolation to nothing. If you don't see this panel, you can open it by pressing N. Under the action clip settings, you can adjust the playback scale if you want it to run faster, and also you can play with the blend-in option for smoother transitions between animations. Using the same method, you can add as many animations as you want. Now, all that's left to do is set up your scene and hit render.